Good morning. I'm Ken Smith. I am a local contractor here in Wiley, Texas. I just signed up with HR Headlight Restoration. I ordered my $1,000 box. It was shipped out. I got it in about 5 days. So I'm going to open this box. Be sure this end up. So as I open it up, I see it's tightly packed. I got a whole bunch of neon green, high quality microfiber towels. They're nice and thick. They work really well. What's this? That's a Headlight Restoration t-shirt, so I can look professional while I'm out there servicing headlights. Let's see what else we got. What's this? Woo! All right. Look at this. About a 4-foot banner, hang nicely on a canopy, or kind of detail what you're doing. Yeah, I like that. All right, so we got some polishing pads. I'm gonna go ahead and set this box down here. Oh, big old heavy box. All right, so we got some polishing pads. We got a pump up sprayer. I've got warranty cards, a whole good stack of them. A sticker to be able to put on my truck. I'd probably like 2 of them. I can put them on my truck as an authorized retailer, right? Let's see. The 400, 600, and 800 wet sandpaper. Looks like about 10 sheets of each. Plus discs for doing the headlights with. There's 220, 320, and 400, 5 sheets of each. Here's another pack of backing pads. It looks like there's 4 in each of these packs. 4? Yep, 4 of them in each of these packs. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, yeah, that's the big baddie right here. These are your step 1, step 2, and step 3, all wrapped up in bubble wrap. As I'm looking, I've got 6 bottles here. So it's 2 bottles of step 1, 2 bottles of step 2, and 2 bottles of step 3. Everything conveniently packaged here. No leaks. Looks like they did a great job. What do we got? An SPTA rotary polisher. Got some good weight to it. Don't worry. Hey, sorry the camera's moving. My daughter's filming for me and she had a bee fly at her. This is a rotary polisher with all kinds of different pads. Good heavy duty. All kinds of, can you get in here, Scar, and see? All kinds of good stuff in this. Handle and attachments. That's pretty nice. I like that. It doesn't seem like looks like I'm gonna run out of room here. All right, we've got more pads, so much more, always more. All right, what do we got here? This looks like a Skill orbital sander. I like the red and black colors personally. I'm a Milwaukee guy. And then this bag here. I believe this is an organizer. Yeah, just kidding. It's a little early. Wow. So there's a whole organizer here to put all your products, your tools in. It even has a little cooler box over here to keep your cold drinks when you're out there working. That's pretty awesome. I like that. That would sit nicely right here in my workspace. See, what else do we have? I'm running out of room. We got so much stuff here. All right, what's this down here? And it's a garage detail seat. Looks to be like a little creeper. Got cup holders for you. So you have your cold drink while you're out there working on these headlights. And I'll tell you, I bought a lot of stuff in my life. Pick that up so I don't lose it. I bought a lot of stuff in my life, but to be able to buy a whole kit to be able to jump out and do a business for a $1,000 investment, I'm really impressed with what I've got here. It looks like I've got a lot of good tools I can go out and do some work with. I will say that when I got the phone call from Headlight Restoration of HR Headlight Restoration, the guy was very professional with me, and everything we talked about was supporting me in I didn't have to go sell the product, I just have to go do the work. So I believe they got a great product, and we'll find out as I move forward. But this was the unboxing, and you can see there's a whole lot of stuff. What you're paying for your chemicals. When you look at the website, you're paying for your chemicals. That's all you're paying for. All this here is the bonus that's thrown in to help you, to set you up for success with Headlight Restoration. So I hope that you found this video informative, and I'm just a regular guy out here in Texas, and this is what you get. Pretty good deal. Have a blessed day.